This seller has sold over $450,000 in stickers, and they're making over $2K a month from a single listing. And they have over 36 listings on their store for stickers. And you can do the same thing using only AI tools to generate the ideas, make the art, and create the mockups for your product. So make sure to watch to the end to figure out how to make life-changing money from AI-generated stickers. The sticker market is quite large on Etsy. I mean, I'm sure you see stickers every day, really wherever you go. You can put them on your laptop, your car, or your face if you really wanted to. This store called Leftover Bagels had sold over 1,200 products in the past month alone. And this is not a one-off exception. But the easiest way to make some cash is by subscribing, as there is a giveaway in today's video for $10. Simply subscribe, like the video, and make a comment. Then, 1 week after the release of this video, I will choose a random commenter who subscribed to me, and they will win $10. And here is proof that I actually sent the $10 to the previous giveaway winner. So now I need to actually find one the product we're going to make. But how do you know what the best ones are? Well, that is easy. We will use a combination of ChatGPT and a free extension called Everbee to find out the best topic. First, I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of 50 different topics or niches for stickers so I can get a general idea of what's out there. I then picked some topics that I thought had some potential, which included Gothic stickers, Kawaii stickers, and superheroes stickers. It's time to go to Everbee to figure out what topic is most searched. Using the keyword search, we can plug in our ideas and we can figure out which one has the highest search volume with the lowest competition. So first, let's put in Gothic and see what we get. When we put in Gothic, we get a search volume of 317 a month with a competition of 26,000 or a keyword score of 12. So it's not the best topic and it's pretty saturated. Next up, we have Kawaii stickers. We have a search volume of 1,488, so a lot higher than Gothic, but with a competition of 160,000. It's actually a worse topic than Gothic with a keyword score of 9. And finally, we have superheroes stickers. This has a search volume of 235, so a little less than Gothic, but it has a competition of 1,022, resulting in an insanely high keyword score of 230, or 25 times the score of Kawaii stickers. So I think we found a topic that we should make our product on. And now that we have this topic, we need to actually make the designs, and for this we'll use Midjourney, one of the best and most well-known AI art programs. Simply join their Discord and you can gain access to the bot. From here you can type /imagine and a prompt, and it will give you images about that prompt. Now, in order to sell Midjourney AI artwork commercially, you need the basic plan, which will cost you $8 every month. And as I'm sure you noticed, there is a lot of people constantly generating images. So if you want to get into a private server, it's actually not that hard. Simply create a new server on Discord by hitting the Add Server button, hit Create Your Own, hit For Me, and name the server whatever you want. Then you go and add the Midjourney bot to your new server by going back over to Midjourney's main server, clicking on the bot, and hit Add to Server. You'll then have to enter some codes and do that stuff, but then you can add that bot to your server. And now you have your own private chat with Midjourney AI, and no random person is going to send images in that server. Now that we have our server set up, it is time to generate the stickers. Superheroes was by far the best topic, so for the search prompt we will do /imagine, superhero sticker cartoon, animated, white background. And just fill the superhero with whatever prompt you want. In this case, it's Deadpool. Why did I start with Deadpool? I don't know. He's a badass. He looks cool. But after entering this command, 4 images will pop up for you to choose with a list of image prompts below. We have U1 through U4, V1 through V4, and the refresh button. The refresh button will generate 4 completely new images if you didn't like any of the original images. If you liked one image in particular but wanted to get more options, you can use the V1 through V4. Keep in mind the V1 is top left and V4 is bottom right. Once you hit an option, it will generate 4 new images similar to the image you selected. And do this until you are satisfied with an image, and then you can use the U1 through U4 buttons to upscale that image, and then you can download that image to use in whatever it is you want. Now, it is best to sell sticker packs in the 10 to 50 range. That way you can charge a competitive rate of around $9 for the pack. Now, superheroes is pretty broad, so we can narrow it down to 50 Marvel superheroes. But let's be real, who cares about all the random superheroes that you've never heard of? So in my case, I picked the 25 most popular superheroes, and I made 2 images for each superhero. Or I should say 2 images related to each superhero. An example of this is Thor. I could have a normal image of Thor doing Thor things, and then I could have an image of Mjolnir. Both related to Thor, but both different and unique images. I generated all the images, and the next step is to take all of our images and remove the background. Some websites you can do this with are GIMP, Pixlr, and Photopea, all of which are free. I'm not going to go over how to remove the background for each, but it's pretty simple. There's usually a wand feature, and then you select the background and then hit the delete key. It's pretty easy. Once you are done making all the images you want, it's now time to get the prints for your stickers ready. The website I am choosing to use is Printify, a print-on-demand service. This is where we will upload our images and turn them into stickers that we can then print on demand whenever someone makes an Etsy purchase from our store. Once you make a Printify account, hit the catalog button and locate the sticker magnets option. One of the best and cheapest options will be the Kiss Cut vinyl decals. I butchered that name, but it's fine. Then you'll want to hit start designing. This is where you can upload the template and add your images. From here, select the 6x8 image. Using this, we'll be able to fit all 50 stickers with reasonable sizing. Add and select all the images you want from your computer, and then set the length of all of them to 1 inch by 1 inch. Then line up the images onto this page going corner to corner. You can fit 6 images on the bottom and 8 along the side. This is close enough to 50, and it'll work for our purposes. And this will only cost you $3.96 without Printify Premium, and you can sell this for a 200% markup price at around $9. From there, save the design, and now we will set up the Etsy site and connect the Printify to Etsy. First though, let's do the mockups. Nice thing about Printify is there's a mockup option that you can use 100% free. Once you've chosen the mockup, create the title for your sticker, in my case, Marvel Superhero Stickers. Also, if you don't like any of the pre-made mockups, you can use Canva to create your own mockups to give you more customization and flexibility, but it does take more time. Then fill out a description including what your product is about. You can just ask ChatGPT to make it if you really want to. Next up comes the price. I'm going to set the price at $8.99 or the price of similar products for 50 stickers. This leaves us with a $5 profit before Etsy's cut. Honestly, not too bad. Now it is time to connect your Printify store to Etsy. Simply hit the Connect to Store button and follow the steps provided to connect your store to Etsy. Of course, you need to have an Etsy store in the first place in order to connect it. So if you have not already, go back to Etsy and hit Sell on Etsy, and then create the name of the store and fill out all the details, and you can finish up your actual Etsy store. Once you have that done, go back to Printify and connect your account. You can then set the design templates and do some of that stuff, and if everything is set up properly, anytime someone purchases your product on Etsy, it will notify Printify, and then Printify will print the product and then ship it to the customer. Now, of course, the hardest part is to get your product in the algorithm, and getting the people to click on your actual product is pretty hard. But if you chose a really good niche such as superhero stickers, that shouldn't be too difficult. Either way, if you guys enjoyed today's video, subscribe, like, remember, there's a giveaway in the comments, and thank you so much for 300 subs.